ready to unlock the full potential of Solana's DeFi world from your pocket. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Phantom Wallet mobile app, giving you a comprehensive review to help you decide if it's the right fit for your Solana needs. We're going to break down everything from the user interface to security, so you can make an informed decision. First, let's take a look at the interface. Phantom boasts a clean, intuitive design. Setting it up is a breeze, guiding you through creating a new wallet or importing an existing one using your seed phrase. Remember to always store your seed phrase securely offline. Once you're in, you'll see your token balances and NFT collection displayed clearly. Navigating between sections like tokens, NFTs, and transactions is seamless. The interface is visually appealing and easy to understand, even for beginners. Now, let's talk transactions. Phantom offers fast transaction speeds thanks to the Solana blockchain. Sending SOL or other Solana-based tokens is straightforward. Just enter the recipient's address, the amount, and confirm. One of Phantom's standout features is its integrated staking options. You can easily stake your SOL directly from the wallet, earning rewards while contributing to the network's security. The process is simple and well explained within the app. Phantom also boasts a built-in dApp browser. This allows you to connect to various Solana-based decentralized applications, opening up a world of possibilities from DeFi to NFTs. Just tap the browser icon and explore. Security is paramount, and Phantom takes it seriously. They offer robust security features, including biometric authentication and seed phrase backup. Always enable these features to protect your assets. They also have recovery options to help you retrieve your wallet if needed. Let's look at transaction history. Phantom provides a detailed record of all your transactions, making it easy to track your activity. And don't forget, Solana's gas fees are typically very low, making Phantom an affordable choice. Another great feature is WalletConnect. This allows you to connect Phantom to desktop dApps seamlessly, extending its functionality beyond your mobile device. Overall, Phantom Wallet offers a great mobile experience for managing your Solana assets. Its user-friendly interface, fast transactions, staking options, and dApp integration make it a strong contender. However, be sure to weigh its strengths and any potential areas for improvement based on your individual needs. So, is Phantom Wallet the optimal choice for you? Hopefully, this review has given you the insights you need to decide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto content. Thanks for watching.